Hello friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. In today's video, I'm sharing pictures from my daughter's second birthday, and then I'll show you how to make a balloon garland, the details about healthy homemade sweet treats, and also I will give you few details about how I designed my own poster and written gift bags. Now let's get started with the backdrop. I'm using a white balloon ribbon. You can use a rope depending on your curtain's weight. Using a safety pin, I'm threading my curtains. These lace curtains are from IKEA. I'm using 2 pairs here. Now, using push pins or wall nails, attach the curtains to a wall. I'm adding one more push pin in the middle so it won't stoop down in the middle. Next, I'm adding my poster over these curtains using push pins at all 4 corners. At the end of this video, I will share details about how I custom designed my poster. Now let's see how I make balloon garlands for birthday decorations. I made a similar one for my daughter's first birthday party. If you haven't checked that video yet, I will leave a link in the description box below. I make all my balloon garlands using a simple balloon ribbon. You can also use a wool yarn thread or something similar. You don't need any special balloon tape. You can blow your balloons using a simple hand pump or by mouth, but it's definitely difficult to blow a large number of balloons this way. Here I'm using an electric balloon pump to blow my balloons. After blowing 2 of them, tie them together with a couple of knots. Then repeat with 2 more balloons. After making 2 pairs like this, twist them together to make a set of 4 balloons. Repeat this with rest and make sets of 4 balloons. Now take the balloon ribbon or thread and tie a balloon set to one end, leaving a little extra thread for tying the garland to wall later. After tying one set, tie this loose end to a chair or something stable to work easily. Take next set and add it to the ribbon. Wrap the ribbon around current set and then wrap it once around previous set and bring it back. Let me show you one more time. Wrap the ribbon around current set and then previous set and come back to the center. Repeat this with rest of the balloons. After you finish making the garland to your preferred length, add it to the wall using push pins at both ends. If you are using a backdrop stand, then tie the garland to the stand. You can make balloon garland with any size of balloons and as lengthy as you like. At this point, you can adjust your balloons a little bit to your liking. Using glue dots, add any leaves to the balloon garland to give it a jungle or safari theme look. You can also use low temperature glue gun to do the same. If you prefer, you can also add small balloons here and there to cover any gaps using glue dots or low temperature glue gun. For my daughter's birthday, I used colorful balloons of 5 to 7 inches size and made it long enough to cover 3 sides of my poster. For the cake, I just ordered a simple buttercream cake with green borders and decorated it with candles and these animal toys that I bought online. I will leave links in the description box below. Coming to other sweet treats for this party, I kept them simple and healthy. I got these bamboo skewers from Amazon and small acrylic cups from Michaels. I put some colorful fruits on the bamboo skewers and made some fresh carrot halwa and filled them in the tiny cups. And I filled the little bigger acrylic cups with kids yogurt and layered it with mango, strawberries and a blueberry. I thought these are perfect treats for a safari themed birthday party. Now let me give you few details about this poster. For designing this poster, I bought these animal graphic images from an Etsy store called Pretty Graphic Design and designed it using PicMonkey.com. PicMonkey is an easy drag and drop platform, but if you want a detailed tutorial on how I design these labels and posters using PicMonkey, then please leave a comment below so I can work on it in future. Using the same graphics, I also designed some tags for return gift bags, and I got these disposable snack containers from Walmart and filled them with some fruit gummies and added a custom label on the top. For standing animals in the front, I printed these on a sticker sheet and stuck them on a foam board and cut them into shape using a craft knife. I cut these letters too wild on Cricut cutting machine and stuck them to tablecloth using a glue gun. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.